Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing easy DIY rainbow art. So let's get started. Need for this is a water cup, paints, paint brushes, canvas, plates, tape, glitter, and I have glitter glue. The first step is take your tape and randomly put the tape wherever you want. I'm done with the taping part and this is how it looks. And now it's time to paint. Let's put a bit of every color. The good part is if I accidentally put the paint on the line and if I take it off, it's still gonna look cool. That's time for orange. I'm painting. I'm super excited to see how it turns out. Time to reveal it. You can start peeling. Ooh. The next tape is this one. Whoa. Gonna run with this small one. Look at it. Guys, look at this. These tapes though. What shapes do you see? Well, I see some triangles, and like if you look at this, if you cut it off with your hand, there's like a triangle, there's a triangle and a rectangle. This is how it turns out. Oh, I'm gonna highlight this painting with some glitter glue. This is how it turned out. Isn't it so cool? I hope you try this at your home. This was so fun and easy. See you guys all next time and bye.